Hello, everyone. Hello. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope all is well today. I am blessed, and I know hope everyone is blessed. On this wonderful weekend of November, I'm coming to you today, and I have some turkey flats that I'm getting ready to fix for you. I'm going to start to put my ingredients on them. Okay, I'll be using the same thing I use all the time: my garlic powder, onion powder, complete, and black pepper, and um, what is it? Chesapeake Bay. That's what I'm going to be putting on everything right now. So just hold down a second or two, and I'm going to get it all shook up in here. Okay, I'm starting with my complete. Okay. Now, okay, let me see. Now, wait, let me put it out where I can see them better. Okay. All right. Onion, that's garlic powder now. Okay. Onion powder now. And my Chesapeake Bay and the black pepper be last. I don't have a lot of Chesapeake Bay, but okay, I'm going to be turning it over a little bit. And I'll put a little bit on the other side also. Hope everyone's having a blessed Sunday or a blessed day or whatever the day of the week is that you're going to be watching.
Yeah, turkey flats came from Walmart and it was $9 for four. They're pretty good size.
Okay.
So if you don't eat turkey flats, go to Walmart.
Okay. Garlic powder, black pepper. Complete. Garlic powder. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting on the Chesapeake Bay. Okay, Chesapeake Bay. All right, now I'm going to be putting in the onions and the bell peppers. Just pour it down in. And celery. Onion, bell pepper, and celery. Okay. I'm going to start them off at 350, and I'm going to try. I hope they'll be done in about an hour, but I may have to cut them up a little higher after they kind of brown out a little bit. I'm going to put foil on it. I'm going to put, oh yeah, the Dr. Pepper on it. I wanted a Coke. I didn't have one. Let me get it. I'm going to put just a little bit of the flour on it. So this will be helped with the gravy for the thickening, okay? As it come out. Okay. Now I'm going to pull the Dr. Pepper over. I'm using, sometimes we use, if I didn't have any Coke, so I always tell you, use what we have. I said, I use a lot of things with the Dr. Pepper also. Okay. Now let me get up and get my, I'm going to start it out without the foil. Then I'll put the foil over it. Let it start cooking as it is now. Then I'll put the foil over it shortly. What? Let me see. Can't put it, can't have to wait, I guess. I'm going to start it in a minute. Just a second here in the oven. So
We'll be back.
Okay, everyone. Welcome back to see the finishing touch of the turkey flats that were baked in the oven with gravy on them also.
Thank you, Una, for sending us the turkey flat. Y'all, they at Walmart for $9. Well, these was $9 something for $4, and I think that's the only place you can get them. But I appreciate you, Una, for sending it to us. Okay.
All right. So I hope you all will enjoy them, and I hope you will go to Walmart to find them. Because look like right now they are very popular. So you may find them. So you better hurry, because with the Thanksgiving coming on there, you may not be able to find them next week. I don't know. But you can go there and try and see, because they do have them right now. For how long, I don't know. So I thank you for watching baking the turkey flats. And they have a lot of gravy in them and everything. I didn't make any potato or anything to go with them, because we were doing other things, so I just put a little bit of gravy on the bread.
Yeah, that was good. They was she used Dr. Pepper and Coca-Cola for the gravy. For the gravy. And it was off the chain delicious. Yeah. She started with Dr. Pepper, and then we added some Coca-Cola when it came back from the store. And they are delicious, y'all. Look at it. Look how pretty they are.
Yeah, I was going to bake me a sweet potato, but I never get a chance to do it. I didn't need one anyway, so I don't think so. So thank you so much. And I hope you will try them if you all like the turkey flats. Because they are very hard to find. You can hardly find them. And these have quite a bit of meat on them.
A lot of meat, y'all. Oh, that's so
good. Quite a bit.
Very good.
In fact, that one have. Let me get a smaller one. I don't think I want one that large.
Yeah, these are so good.
Huh?
I just said it good.
I'll get one a little bit smaller. I guess all of them are large. I said one a bit smaller. Everybody large is the other one. So I guess I'll settle for this one. I thought I could get one a little smaller, but I don't think so.
Yeah, these are so good. Been perfect. We had some biscuits to put the gravy over.
Yeah. I don't think I had any biscuits. I don't know if I did or not. I don't think I had any. Yeah, we did have like maybe 4 or 5 in a pack, maybe. But anyway, I'm going to try these, and the bread is fine. So I guess this is our Sunday night dinner.
Turkey flat and some bread. That's our dinner, y'all.
I would have baked us a potato because we had plenty of them, but I guess this is all we're going to have. We'll eat the potato for breakfast in the morning.
Right.
I may make a potato patty with the So I hope y'all will enjoy this. And I hope if y'all are looking for, this is a perfect ideal thing if y'all like to have these turkey flats for Thanksgiving also.
Yes, y'all. A lot of people don't like whole turkeys, the white meat and all. So this would be perfect if you just love the flats. It's so delicious.
And the meat seems to be very tender. It is already stored, but I don't really like skin on mine, so I take it out. But it cuts out with this plastic knife, so it's, you can tell how tender they are. It's with it cutting out like this.
Y'all, they're very tender, very much so tender. Okay, y'all.
And the Coca-Cola makes them tender if you don't have anything else with the Dr. Pepper flavor, so it's very hot. I'm sure they're off the chain right now.
It is off the chain. I'm eating them so hard I'm lost in fork.